welcome to my channel Programming Wings. If you like the video, please click on like and comment and share and press the bell icon for further updates and subscribe to my channel to learn in a simple way Java programming and C and HTML. Introduction to the Java. In this video I am going to tell the basics of concepts of Java, why Java is developed and the definition of Java and Java features, and what is the abbreviation of Java and terminologies used in programming languages, and what is platform, what is a platform dependent, what is platform independent. All these topics I am going to cover in this video. Why Java? Java is a programming language mainly designed to develop internet applications by providing platform independency feature. Definition of Java. Java is very simple programming language and it is a high level programming and secure. It provides security and multi-threaded concepts and platform independent object oriented programming language. It was developed by James Gosling. Its first version was released in January 23, 1996. Its syntax is similar to C, C++, but the following topics are removed from the Java, like pointers, structures, union, Java features. Java is very simple programming language, so it is very easy to understand and secure programming language. It provides security and robust programming language. That means it automatically garbage collector is there in Java. Java is portable because it provides the facility to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It does not require any implementation. And Java is object oriented programming language because everything in the form of object. Next, Java is multi-threaded programming language with strongly typed exception handling mechanism for writing distributed programs. Distributed means information can change one system to another system through TCP, transition control protocol, and internet protocol. And dynamic means it supports dynamic loading of classes, automatically loading the classes. And high performance. Java provides high performance because it having just in time compiler, and Java having architectural neutral because of this there are no implementation dependent features. The size of the, for example, the size of the primitive type is fixed in C. Int 2 bytes for 32-bit operating system and 4 bytes for 64-bit operating system. But Java is but in Java in having 4 bytes in any operating system. These are the Java features. What is the abbreviation for Java? There is no abbreviation for Java programming language, and the terminologies used in programming languages are source code, compiled code, compiler, interpreter, executable code, compilation, execution. What is meant by source code? Source code means this is the sample Java programming I have written. I am saving this with sample1. Save as sample1. .java is already there, so I have saved this file. Now we have to see sample1 Java file is created. Now we have to execute this, compile this, control 1 for compilation. After compilation, see sample1 dot class file is generated. whatever the code we have written, this is called source code and easily understandable format. And whatever the compiler generated, open with edit plus, this is compiled code which is not understandable by the user. This is understandable by the compiler. This bytecode will be generated. This is called compilation code. Next, what is mean by compiler? It is a translation program that converts source code into machine language at once. It will convert complete program at a time. Interpreter. It is also translation program that converts source code into machine language, but line by line. It will convert each line into the machine language. Executable code. OS understandable, readily executable programs is called executable files. Compilation. What is meant by compilation? It is a process of translating source code into the compiled code. Just now we have seen. And the execution. It is a process of running compiled code to get output. For execution, in edit plus, for example, sample.java file is there. Control 2 is the shortcut. This is the output. This is the output which is executed. This is called executable file. Okay. Next, Java has its own software based on platform called JVM, Java Virtual Machine, to execute the Java programs. Unlike C uses direct Windows operating system for compilation, but Java has its own software to compile and execute only Java programs. Okay, next, what is platform? Platform is a hardware or software environment in which a program runs. What is platform dependent? For example, an application that is compiled in one operating system. After compilation, a bytecode will be generated, and that bytecode will not run in another operating system. Such application is called platform dependent. Example, C++ programming languages. What is platform independent? An application compiled in one operating system, a bytecode will be generated, and that is running different operating system also without compiling. Such application is called platform independent. Example applications are Java applications.